Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope by God's grace you're all doing well. If you're new to this channel, we say a warm welcome to you. Thank you all for the love and support, okay? Just make sure you're turning on all your notifications. That way, when we post a video, you will be notified. Today, we're gonna make tuna sandwich. So come along, let's cook together. Let's quickly go over the ingredients we're going to use for this sandwich. All right, so we have tomatoes. It's optional. Some people don't like tomatoes in their sandwiches, so it's optional. You don't need to use tomatoes. Celery, and I did this on purpose. I'm using the leaves and the stalk as well. I have onions, tuna in olive oil. Okay, they have another one in avocado oil too. They taste amazing. Give it a try. Some salt, black pepper, parsley, flakes, Greek yogurt. And I also have bread here. This is the type of bread I'm using today. This bread is so good. Give it a try. All right. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is to cut all the vegetables. So guys, I drained the oil from the tuna and now I'm adding it to the vegetables. Add the Greek yogurt. Add some salt. Black pepper. Dry parsley. Mix everything together. Oh my God, it looks so good. Smells good. I think we need a little bit more of the Greek yogurt. at how it looks. So good. Guys, try this. Follow this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Come back and let me know. Let's see. This is perfect. Guys, look at this beautiful, healthy sandwich. Please give it a try and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe. God bless you all. Bye-bye.